In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer pump on this Audi S4. This is going to be located underneath the inner fender well. Let's get into it. In the trunk, you need to lift up on this cover right here. There's a little handle that will hold that out of the way. On the left side of the spare tire, you're going to grab this toolbox. If you lift the handle, then you can pull it up. Open this up. It's just a couple levers. And then you're looking for this key. Grab this key. Now, using the key, in the center cap there is a little hole. Just find that hole. Then you can pull the center cap off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. Underneath the vehicle, there's a shield right here. We're going to remove that. Use a straight blade screwdriver and just go around all the fasteners. You want to loosen those up. Side, should be some on that side as well, and on the side there's a couple retainers. This vehicle only has one. Just twist that out with the straight blade screwdriver and do the same on the other side. And grab the shield and pull it down. On the driver's side, you can see where the reservoir is. You can reach up here and grab the pump and try to replace it there. There is not a lot of room to do it this way, but it's not impossible. If you want to try to do that, go ahead and do that. But to make it a lot easier, we're going to remove the reservoir and take it out of the way so it's significantly easier. We're going to take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. It's for the power steering reservoir. Just move that out of the way a little bit. That's fine. And over here, you have a small nut. We're going to use a 8mm socket. Take this nut off. Now take this hose right here. If you lift up on the cap, pull that out of the way. And that hose is going to come out of there. Grab the top part of the reservoir. I'm just going to pop it out. If you have a good amount of washer fluid in there, it might drip out. You want to put a drain bucket underneath. On the inner fender well, we're going to take these screws out. Use a T25 socket. There's a push pin right here. We'll just use a trim tool. Pop that off. Top, another screw. T25 socket. Take that out. And just grab the inner fender well. And peel it back. Slide it out of the way. And we're going to screw right here. T25 socket. Pull that out. It's going to be loose right there. I use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out. And that bracket comes off with it. Underneath, there's a bolt right here. Use a 10mm socket. Take that out. Another one right here. And one more up top. And grab the reservoir. And pull it down. There is a hose up top. Pull that hose out. Pull this back. I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver. Just a straight blade screwdriver. You just push down on that tab, disconnect the connector. Disconnect the connector for the level sensor. Push on the tabs on the side. And the connector for the other washer pump. Just get in there with a straight blade screwdriver. Disconnect that connector. And then you have the hoses. You want to pop those off the pump. You want to have a drain bucket underneath because the fluid's going to come out. Pull this out a little bit. You can see the other pump has a clip on it. Slide that clip off. That clip just comes off. And then you can pop that hose off as well. And just pull the reservoir out. Now just grab the pump, slide it up. And take the new pump and just slip it in place. Now take the reservoir, get this slid in place. I'll connect this hose, and I have the little lock. I'm going to put that over the hose and clip that in place. That's good. And take the connector, connect that, lock that down. Now connect the hose to the other pump. Push that down in place. All right, that clicks in. Then you push this hose into this retainer on the side. And we'll connect the connector, line that up, lock it down, and the level sensor. Right, that's clipped in. Take the hose and go through that upper hole. Feed that through. So that gets close. And just get it lined up how it was. Yeah, I'll put these screws in. Snug it down. And these screws. Snug those down and get the lower one lined up. Snug that down and take this bar, get that lined up, put that bolt in. Snug that down and put the screw in. Snug that down. Now take the inner fender well, get this lined back up. And take the push pin, push that back in place, and the screws, get those started. Yeah, we'll tighten those down, snug those down. Yeah, take the shield underneath. That lined up. Get that in position and put the screws in place. All right, that's good. And on the sides, put those lock retainers in place. You might have another one, and then same on the other side. Now take the wheel, line it up. It's lined up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down. Get those all started. And snug these down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. It's good. Take the center cap. It only goes on one way. You can see on the back side there's a picture of a valve stem. You want that lined up with the valve stem. Lock it down. After you're done, take the key, close up the toolbox, slide it in place, push down the handle, take the cover off, and push it in place. I'm going to take the upper reservoir, slide this in place, push it down, and then you have the pipe, went right here, push that in place. And I'm going to take that nut, get that lined up. Snug that down, and these two bolts. And tighten these down. Open up the reservoir cap, put in your washer fluid, and close it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.